Hi, this is Aakash from ThinkEvolve. In case you're using a lot of images, collecting a lot of images via Notecam during any of your surveys, and you want to capture this lat-long data and plot it on a map, you can use VanNetra for that. All you need to do is to go onto our website. So as you can see, we can select multiple images out here from our folder and simply upload it. Once all the files are uploaded, you press submit. The app processes those images and you get two files. One is an Excel file output and other is a KML file. Let me just show you. Once this processing is over, so here are the two files, output file and KML file. Output Excel file looks something like this, where when you open it, you get the lat, longitude, elevation, accuracy, the time when the images were taken, as well as the file name, and also any node that was captured by your team. Let's save it. The other file is an output KML file, which you can simply double click and it will open on Google Earth Pro. You will find a nice little visualization of all those points along with the nodes that you are taking.